slaves of the same kind. You know, slavery is yesterday, today, and forever. We identify it differently because we're compensated more. And when we're compensated more, we do a lot of damage. We are all in this daily. Some of you are active participants right now. I'll give you a brief example. You got a lazy power tripping supervisor that's not used to his or her position of authority. And they abuse all of the other slaves, I meant employees. They abuse them. These employees are doing well. They're doing the job the way they're supposed to do it. They're getting the mission accomplished. And for some strange reason, you always have that handler that come in to create turbulence. These are what you should call energy destroyers. These employees are working their butts off trying to figure out a way to freedom. They don't have it all figured out. Nobody ever really gave them a blueprint. Just like nobody gave us one. We had to figure it out. But as they work, your only job is to make sure that they work diligently. You should be firm but fair. But stop acting like the owner. You've gotten in bed with HR. You become their friend. But even they will abandon your ass when that new slave handler, I meant to say assistant manager, walks in. That assistant manager understands the employee handbook, and they're going to play by the rules. And they're going to realize that you've been a detriment to the company, and the company has been playing themselves, dealing with you as the fool. So don't go crying to HR, looking for attention and affection, playing the victim. They're going to abandon you because they understand the rule book too. They're going to act like they never met you. HR stands for human resources. Y'all need to see humans. Be humans. Because we're all human beings. Somebody saw you before you got there. But don't worry about it. Your replacements are on the way. Oh yeah. They bilingual too. And they want less money. So all those cards you deal out to those low-level employees, remember them damn cards in that full deck is coming right back to you. Give it a couple years. This is sarcastic, or maybe not. Pass this on to your HR department. They might need to hear this. Because the way they're trying to send you at, their ass is probably going to beat you there.